In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Google Calendar from others. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can lock down your calendar's visibility in just a minute. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. You'll land on your main calendar view. On the left side of the screen, look for the section that lists your calendars. It's usually labeled My Calendars. If you don't see your list, hover over the area or click the little arrow to expand it. Find the specific calendar you want to hide. This could be your primary calendar or any additional one you've created. It's important to select the exact calendar you want to adjust, since settings apply per calendar. Next, move your mouse over that calendar's name. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots appear. Click those 3 dots to open the quick menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the settings page for that particular calendar, where all the sharing and visibility controls live. Scroll down the settings page until you reach the section called Access Permissions. This area determines who on the internet can see your calendar. Look for the option labeled Make Available to Public. If this is turned on, anyone could potentially find and view your calendar, depending on how the rest of your organization's settings are configured. To hide your calendar from others on the web, turn this option off. When it's off, your calendar won't be publicly visible or searchable, and only people you've explicitly shared it with elsewhere will retain access. A quick note: if you're using a work or school account, you may see this option grayed out or restricted. That simply means your administrator controls public sharing, and you might need to check with them if the toggle can't be changed. Also, your changes save automatically here. You don't need to click a separate save button. Once the toggle is off, you're done. You can return to your calendar view or repeat these steps for any other calendars you manage. Remember, you're adjusting visibility one calendar at a time, so confirm you've updated each calendar you want to keep private. That's it. Your calendar is now hidden from public view. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your schedule private and secure.